Welcome to RT I am Devender. We will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. See here trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the previous classes we have studied complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary and supplementary. See here complementary angles means two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. If their sum is equal to 90 degrees. For example, if I am taking two angles as A and B, A plus B is equal to 90, then two angles are said to be complementary angles. See one example I am giving. See, and triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. See here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am considering here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Here in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. See, in that, what is the property of triangle? Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees or not? Yes. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees or not? Yes. If angle B is equal to 90 degrees means sum of the other two angles will be equal to 90 degrees or not? Yes. That means can I write here angle A plus angle C is equal to 90? Yes or no? 90 plus 90 it is equal to 180. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Yes or no? Yes. Here. Next, for example, I am considering here angle A as x. See here, I am considering here as angle A is equal to x degrees. See, if I am taking angle A will be x, angle C will be equal to, see here, x plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees implies angle C is equal to, you can consider here 90 degrees minus x. If you want, you can consider here x degrees also. See here x degrees, x degrees. Here angle C will be equal to almost 90 degrees minus x degrees. See, angle A will be x degrees, it will be equal to 90 degrees minus x. 90 minus x, this will be x only. See, here I am finding first of all sine ratio from the triangle ABC. Sine A. Sine A means it is sine C or not? Yes. Sine X, sorry. Sine X. See, what is the sine formula? See, sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Opposite by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. Yes or no? BC by AC. In the similar way, once I am finding here cos of 90 minus x, that means I am finding here cos C. See here cos C. Cos C means C value is almost 90 minus x. You can write here cos of 90 minus x is equal to, see what is the definition of cos? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means can I write here BC by AC? BC by AC. Yes or no? See here sin x is equal BC by AC. Cos of 90 minus x also BC by AC. That means both should be equal or not? Yes or no? See, for example, this is 1, this is 2. We can consider here from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Can I write here sin x is equal to cos of 90 minus x or not? Yes or no? Sin x is equal to cos of 90 minus x. In the similar way, we can obtain the remaining ratios of complementary angles. Already we have discussed. These are very important formulas which will be useful in our exercise problems. So that I am writing here, see. Clearly, once again I am writing, see. Sine of here 90 degrees minus theta. Sine of 90 degrees minus theta will be equal to cos theta. You can remember here for sine we will get here cos theta. For cos of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to, you will get sin theta. Remember, for sine you will get complementary as cos. For cos you will get complementary as sine only. Next you can see here tan. See here tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal. For tan, what is the? You will take here cot theta. You will get here for tan cot theta. For cot, in the similar way, you can see here cot of 90 degrees minus theta is equal tan theta only. Instead of taking here theta, you can take x also, no problem. See here, sine of 90 minus x is equal cos x. If you are taking here theta, you will get here x only. See next one. I am taking here sec. Sec of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta. Here cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. You can remember here which are very easiest formula. See, for sine you will get cos, cos will be get sine only. Next you can see tan, cot, cot, tan. Here sec, cosec, cosec, sec. Just remember here 90 minus theta. Here theta only. That means you are getting complementary angles. These are all complementary. That means the sum of these two angles are said to be equal to 90 degrees. You can remember here these are very important, which are useful in our exercise problems. See here exercise 11.3 question number 1. Evaluate. First one here tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Once you can observe here 36 plus 54 is equal to 90 degrees or not? Yes, just you can add it here. 4 plus 6, here 10, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. That means sum of the two angles are equal to 90 degrees. These two are complementary angles or not? Yes, so that you can just convert tan to cot or cot to tan. Just you can see here tan 36 can be written as, can I write here tan of 90 degrees minus 54 or not? Yes or no? Just you can write it as here cot of 54 degrees. See, tan of 36 can be written as, see, 36. 10 minus 4 is how much? 6 only. Here 8 minus 5 is how much? 3 only. Yes or no? 36 can be written as 90 minus 54. Yes or no? Yes. 90 minus 54. See here, already you know that one formula. Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to how much? Cot theta. Yes or no? Tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. Yes or no? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So that can you write here tan of 90 minus theta means your theta value will be 54. That means you can write here cot 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Both are same or not? Yes, you can cancel here one time, here also one time. That means 1 by 1 means it is equal to 1 only. See here, cosec 31. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees is equal. See here, 31 plus 59 is equal to 90 means it is complementary angle, so that you can convert either cosec to sec or sec to cosec. See here 31 can be written as, see, cosec 90 minus 59. Yes or no? 90 minus 59, will you get 31 or not? Yes, you can write here 90 degrees minus 59 degrees minus here sec 59 degrees. See here cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta means you get sec theta or not? Yes, sec 59 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. In the brackets you can write here cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Using this formula only you can write here sec of 59 degrees. Here sec 59 both should be equal in negative symbol, so that you will get here 0 as your solution. Yes or no? Yes. See here next one more. Sin 15 degrees into sec 75. Here also you can write here, see, sin 15 degrees into sec 75. See here 15 plus 75 equal to how much? 90. See here sin you can convert them into cos. That means here sine of, can I write here 90 minus 75? Yes or no? See here 15 means 90 minus 75 into, you can write here sec 75 degrees is equal, see sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of 90 minus theta, what is the formula? Sine 90 minus theta is equal, you will get cos theta. Yes or no? That means sine 90 minus theta, that means here theta value will be equal to 75. That means you will get here how much? Cos theta. That means you will get here cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees into sec 75 degrees. Already you know that, see, cos and sec are both are reciprocal to each other. That means you will get one or not. If you want one more time, you can write here cos 75 degrees into, you know that sec will be reciprocal of cos. That means can I write here 1 by cos 75 degrees? Yes or no? Already you know that sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. In the similar way, I am writing here 1 by cos 75. So here cos 75 will be cancelled. Here 1 into 1 how much? You will get answer as 1 only. Your answer should be 1. 1 is your solution. See here question number 2. Show that tan 48 degrees, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74 is equal to 1. We need to show that it is equal to 1. See that in this expression, just you can assume here which angle should be complementary angles. Here 48 plus 16, will you get in 90? It's not possible. 48 plus 42, will you get 90 degrees? Yes. 48 plus 42 equal to 90 degrees. Next we can say tan 16, tan 74. 16 plus 74 is equal to how much? 90 or not? Yes. So that you can group together which are similar. See, complementary equal to LHS is equal to tan 48 degrees into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. You can write here tan 48 into tan 42 into tan 16 into tan 74. Now you can make it as complementary angle. See here tan 48 can be written as tan of 90 minus 42 or not? Yes or no? 90 minus 42, will you get 48 or not? Yes. Into tan 42 into, you can see here tan 16. 16 can be represented as 90 minus 74 or not? Yes or no? 90 minus 74, will you get 16 degrees or not? Yes. Into tan 74. Don't change all the ratios. You need to change only two ratios. See here tan of 90 minus theta. Already you know that formula. Tan 90 degrees minus theta is equal to, you will get tan theta or cot theta? Cot theta. You can represent here cot theta. That means you can write here cot of 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into, see here tan 90 minus theta. That means you will get cot theta. You will get here how much? Cot of 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Already you know that cot and tan are both are reciprocal to each other, so that you will get here directly 1. If you want, you can take one more step. See here cot, see here cot can be represented as reciprocal of tan. That means you can write here 1 by tan 42. Yes or no? 1 by tan 42 into tan 42 you can write here. Next here cot, this one also cot will be reciprocal of tan. That means you can write here into 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74. You can write directly tan 74 degrees only. See here just I written cot as reciprocal of tan. Already why? Because you know that this is the basic formula. Yes or no? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. See here tan 42, tan 42. That means both should be cancelled or not? Yes. Here also tan 74, tan 74. Both should be cancelled. That means your get is how much? 1 is your solution. 1 is your solution which is equal to RHS or not? Yes. Once you can observe here, we need to show that RHS is equal to 1 or not? Yes. So that you can write here. Therefore, you can write the given question as tan 48 into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. Hence proved. This is your solution. See here question number 3. If tan 2a is equals cot of a minus 18 degrees where 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. First of all, I am writing here given that tan 2a is equal cot of a minus 18 degrees. You know that the complementary angles. We have studied the ratio of complementary angles here. See, I am writing, we know that what is the relationship between tan and cot? Here we know that here tan 2a can be written as cot of 90 minus 2a or not? Yes or no? See here, cot of 90 minus theta is equal tan theta or not? Cot 90 minus theta is equal tan theta. Yes or no? Yes. So that if you want, you can take here this as equation 1. See here, we can write equation 1 as C. Wherever tan 2a is available, you can write here cot of 90 minus 2a. Cot of 90 degrees minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. See here, both are same ratios. Cot. Already they are given that 2a is an acute angle. Yes or no? If 2a is an acute angle, 2a is an acute angle, by comparison you can write here cot of 90 minus 2a is equal cot of a minus 18 means you can write here these two are equal. That means 90 degrees minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. See here, you can transpose minus 2a to RHS, minus 18 to LHS. That means you can write here 90 degrees plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. Implies you can write it 90 plus 18 is how much? 108. 108 degrees is equal 1 plus 2. 1a plus 2a is equal 3a. That means 3a is equal to 108 means here a is equal to 108 degrees by 3. That means you can see here 3 3 are 9. 3 3 are 9 here. 3 6 are 18. Yes or no? That means you are getting is how much? 36 degrees. Your answer should be a is equal to 36 degrees. In the question they are asking just you can find the value of a. This is your solution. A is equal to how much? 36 degrees. See here fourth question. If tan A is equal cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. First of all, I am writing given that tan A is equal cot B. Tan A is equal cot B. You know that trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Tan A, how can you represent in cot B? Or cot B you can represent in tan A. See here cot B. Can I write here cot B? Here since I am writing cot B is equal to, can I say tan of 90 minus B? Yes or no? You know that, see, cot B means, you know that cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Yes or no? Cot of 90 minus theta. So that, can I write here, see, tan A is equal to, you can write here, tan of 90 minus B. You can write here 90 minus B. See here, why? Because they have mentioned here, see, where A and B are acute angles. Given that, see here, if A and B are acute angles. A and B are acute angles. See here, both are tan ratios. Yes or no? Both are tan ratios only. So that you can equate with these two angles. That means A is equal to, you can write here, therefore A is equal, you can write here 90 minus B. You can write here 90 minus B. Next, you can transpose B to LHS. That means you can write here A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. And that question what they are asking, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. We have proved A plus B is equal to 90 degrees or not? Yes, you can write here hence proved it. See, these are very easiest problems if you know the complementary angles, trigonometric ratios. Here tan A is equal to cot B. Cot means you can represent here tan of 90 minus theta. Theta means here B only you have taken. Tan of 90 minus theta. Here both are tan ratios only. You can remove tan on both sides. Yes or no? Or you can compare directly. A is equal to 90 minus beta. Sorry, 90 minus B. You can transpose B to LHS. A plus B minus B will become plus B. A plus B is equal 90 degrees. This is your solution of the given question. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.